Hey there, welcome to our channel. Do you want to be able to add your Metro card to your Apple Wallet? Well then, you have come to the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do it. It is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. The first step is going to be for us to go into our Settings app. So, go into your Settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now on this page, what you're going to do is just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, of course. So click on Wallet and Apple Pay, and then we should be taken to this page. In here, you will be able to see all of your cards that you currently have linked to your Apple Wallet. Just so you know, for this tutorial, you need to once again click on Add Card in here. So click on Add Card. It's just going to load, and this can take a couple of seconds, just so you know. But then you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, what you're going to do, because as you can see, we get two options in here, debit or credit card. And also it says travel card in here, right? We need to click on travel card in here. Now, what you're going to do is scroll down in here, and you will be able to see all of the available travel cards for you in here. So you can just select the one that you want to be able to actually add to your Apple Wallet. You can see there's a bunch of travel cards in here for you to choose, and it's often based on location, just so you know. That is basically exactly how to do this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will try to answer as many as I can. Also, I wish you the best day.